do have this recording. Wow, it's actually doing a 4K thing. And go back into the SKYRC GPS. We have got 12 satellites. I am going to enable this screen record. Skip countdown. And you can see as I walk, we've got telemetry. All right. So hopefully this works. I'm going to go ahead and hit start. Really have this thing strapped in here the right way to make sure that this thing wasn't going to go anywhere. Like I said, it did piss out a little bit of gas, but that was just because yeah, I leaned it over and I kind of assumed it was gonna, but yeah, so it did just a little bit. So but we're all strapped up nice here. Got the ratchet strap here just on some tension. We aren't going crazy on these because these aren't like brackets to actually do this to, but it does work in a pinch. So all right, helmet, put that up there. Safety gloves here, important. I mean, how do I explain that? I mean, it's important, but it's not. All right. Ta-da! Here we go, man. So I still have the plastic cover on here. I'm going to very carefully lift out the bike so I don't wreck Jaguar. What I did is I put the front wheel in first, just like this, and then just bring it out. I think the thing weighs like 80-ish pounds or something around there, but it's really nothing. Make sure I got my keys. All right, so I got to do the picture first. Dude, this is always the way. All right, so I can't bring this with me, but I'm gonna keep it on because it's tracking right now. I just I had to plug in my stupid phone. All right, shouldn't have to really wear stuff like this, but you didn't hear it from me. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta say like the right things and all that garbage. I mean, I've been riding for years. It's not what I'm trying to say. I'm not, you know, a goon, but just protect yourself, man. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and leave that on the off switch. I am going to put this thing on choke. So right down in there, there's a choke. And I'm gonna give it a pull. 1, 2, flip it on. Look at that. Thing started right up. So this is going to be interesting, man. I've gone over the whole thing, nut and bolt checked it. Everything seems to be fine. Just gonna go ahead and switch it over to run. So we went from start to run on the choke. Still got the plastic thing on there. But yeah, over here, diamond dust guy. Gotta take this thing for a blast. Hopefully the GPS unit's working. I have no idea. So you can hear the idle is idling up. I did nut and bolt check, just make sure everything was fine. But there we go, man. Diamond dust. What is the Ori-X Earth? Ori-X Earth have to offer over here at Diamond Dust? That Jaguar pretty sharp. I mean, yeah, it's like a grandpa car, but it's still kind of sharp looking, except for that dumb wheel on the other side. All right, let's rip it. was a riot, dude. Not with my weight. Are actually pretty good. Just barely made it up. Giddy up. Oh, dude. I am having a blast. This is awesome. Good brake. Oh, the brake's stuck. So the brake actually held up. The brake actually got stuck. Might be because of my weight. wish I could go up that. This ain't that, I mean, this probably has the, it probably has the go if I was nice and light, but I ain't light, man. Alright, just gonna pull it into Jaguar. Let this thing have a little bit of a breather. Alright, so we are over here at Diamond Dust. I ripped up the MJX HyperGo H14 BM, and Diamond Dust definitely proved out to be not the right place to take this thing. Ah, are you kidding me? Out of here, dude. The diffs are too wide open. Ah! Full trigger! Full trigger! Oh my god! It is what it is, man. Stuff happens and you make wrong decisions and you hit rocks and... Out of here, dude! The differentials are just way too old. But anyways, we're back on this thing. We're back on this mini bike. I did want to try something different. I have the GoPro mount attached to like the handlebars. I don't know if it's gonna be like a, I don't know if it's gonna be an issue. I mean, this thing has so much vibration. Does the GoPro have the ability on Hypersmooth? I think it's 4K right now. I think I'm 4K. Will it tell me? Nah. I think I'm 4K 60 frames per second Hypersmooth, and with the temperature right now, and I think with the wind going through the GoPro, things not overheating, things not having any issues. This thing is a GoPro Hero 7 Black. These are the cameras that I recommend. I shouldn't recommend nothing, man, because somebody will get something and be like, you recommended it. It's like, yeah, all right, guys, so whatever. These are the cameras that I use. I like them. I don't have really any issues with them. Yeah, so we're gonna try this mount, see if this works, take this thing out for a rip, and we'll see what happens. The one damn rock! Are you kidding me? Out of here, dude!